Hi everyone, welcome to Hilltop View Journals. Today we're going to make some Christmas journal embellishments for our December daily, and I'm going to play along with RachandBella Craft's fussy cuts for this year's Christmas collection. Really pretty. I think she does actually do the small ones in her kit, but I have actually made them slightly smaller. And the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to bling these up and just put a little bit of gold embossing on them. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to use a Ranger brush, embossing brush, and I am going to go around the edge and just give it a little bit of an outline as quickly as I can. And then douse it quickly, Stephanie, quickly. And use a little grabby tool. And I don't think I've got much there, so let me just put some more on here. I don't want too much on there, but I obviously want to be able to see it as well. Okay, let's do another one. Do it a bit thicker this time. You've got to be quite quick with this embossing. Do this star. Let's give them a quick run through the heat tool. And there we've got some lovely little bits of bling. So I'm going to carry on and do that, and then we'll go on to the next section. So I've got my little gems here now, and I have gathered some supplies. I've got a very scrappy snippet roll here. It's quite long. If I just fold it up, it's actually on the floor here, so I got lots to play with, and it literally is just scraps of paper that I've stitched together so that I can use to make clusters. And I find this is the easiest way to make clusters and keep hold of your scraps, and they just look really cool in your stash as well, so I love that. And then I just got some strips of fabric, handmade paper, embossed paper, whatever you've got to hand, and all I'm going to do now is put them together. And it's so easy and quick, and I love just doing it like this because it takes very little effort, and what you get in the end is some lovely embellishments, and you really don't have to think too hard on this. So all I'm going to do is pop that like that, and then you've got a lovely little embellishment, and you can keep on going. It all depends on how much you want to add. and what it will look like in your journal. But I just love making these. They do make me happy. So I'm just going to quietly carry on, and you can craft along with me and just enjoy the calmness that comes with playing with paper and glue. I should be putting Christmas decorations up, but honestly, no, I can't face it. I'd rather be doing this instead. Now I must remember to make some small ones, and I've got this lovely paper here as well.
I am packing my bags, I am leaving. Think I'm going to Paris or Rome. I gotta get out of this god-awful place that I used to call my home. Maybe I'm going to London. Gotta find someplace new. I'll move to a dump in a faraway slum to help me forget about you. I might be going to sunny California. I'll go surfing the waves till I drown. I really don't care, I will go anywhere. I just gotta get out of this town. 'Cause I see you in every corner, all the buildings and streets where your name. Go on, tell me I'm free to do as I please, but without you it's all the same. 'Tis a season to be lonely, and this Christmas sure feels blue. I'll go out of my way to get out of this place where everything reminds me of you. All those memories of you, they taunt me, but they're all I have left since you've gone. The longer I stay, there's no getting away. Gotta find someplace new to be alone. You'll be here with your friends and your family, all the loved ones that used to be mine. I'll be out of your way and out of your life, and I am going out of my mind. 'Tis a season to be lonely, and this Christmas is as sad as can be. I'd go out of my way to get out of this place, to forget you're not here
So there you have some really simple embellishments, and I'm just going to go now and get my journal and pop them in ready to, well, just to brighten up the pages. And these covers of the signatures are RachandBella Crafts. And so if I just pop in here. And I can start embellishing the pages. And there you go. There's a few of my pages done. You could, of course, make these into tuck spots and pop in journaling cards and things. I'm going to be writing all over these pages, so I'm not quite sure if I'm going to do that. But you can certainly, these are big enough to make mini pockets as well. And they're just great, and they're just so easy to make. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you're enjoying your Christmas crafting, and I shall catch up with you shortly with some more ideas on decorating your Christmas journals. Please consider liking and subscribing, and thanks ever so much for watching. See you soon.